Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to plot area of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add border to plot area of a chart. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Then insert a chart. Then click the plot area of this chart, then click right button on our mouse, then go to format plot area. Then click the borders option and choose solid line. Then select red color and increase the white to see the border better. Then close the window. Now we can see here we added border to plot area of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.